Artificial intelligence is transforming the world from medicine to transport to communication. But what does this mean for us, the humans? And now writes, draws, drives, and even diagnoses disease. It can learn, adapt, and optimize faster than we ever imagined. It's changing how we live and how we work. A in medicine, A in creativity, A in industry, part 2 to 115 to 215. But here's the real question. Can AI truly replace humans? Can it understand emotion, build relationships, or make ethical choices? Can it feel empathy? Can it make moral decisions? What makes us human? Maybe the future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. A future where machines handle logic and we lead with heart. It's about redefining what only humans can. Please subscribe. Please like and subscribe.